Hello everyone, my name is Yash and this is my project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. So everyone today is talking about AI, artificial intelligence, so I thought that maybe my project should be based on AI. This is not going to be an AI actually, this is going to be just a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants have billions of features today. My virtual assistant is not going to be that advanced, it's just going to have some features, so I'm going to demonstrate you a few of them. So let's get started. So let's start the project. So it just gives you a little introduction of itself. Yeah, it tells you hi, I am Pixy, and it asks you a question, how can I help you? So again, this AI just this virtual assistant just has some features, so it can tell you time, day, date, and also it can crack you up with some jokes. So let's first ask it about the time. Tell me the time. What if you want the time in 24-hour clock, right, like it's on my computer right now? So let's ask it. So tell me the time in 24 hours. So it tells you the time in 24 hours. The current time is this, which is obviously correct. So that's what it can do. And what else it can do? Well, it can also tell you the date, today's date. uh, Tell me today's date. So it can tell you jokes. So let's ask it some jokes. You can just say jokes, or you can say tell me jokes. I'm not connected to the internet right now, so it is an issue. So it tells you that connection error, you should have a stable connection. So okay, so let's try that one more time. Let's ask it for a joke. Tell me the joke. So it takes a little bit time and then tells you the joke and asks you if you want more jokes. If you don't want more jokes, you can just say no. So I'll say no, I don't want more jokes. So let's say hello pigs. So it tells you something like in binary codes it says hello. I'll just say this time goodbye Pixie. So it will be like okay, so it gives you a nice have a nice day message. Hope you guys enjoyed this project, and yeah, have a nice day.